Hello and welcome to the Easy English Football Club YouTube channel. My name is Andrew, and on this YouTube channel I help you improve your English in under 5 minutes without grammar or memorization with soccer stories from around the world. I create a little article with high frequency English words that you can follow along with as I read at normal speech rate in American English, and hopefully you can comprehend more, recognize more, understand more, and then eventually speak better. Today we're going to do a La Liga update with both Atletico and Real Madrid, both unable to win, leaving the league standings unchanged at the top for now. So let's get into the article. Atletico Madrid and Real Madrid draw, a La Liga update. Yesterday, there were two big games in Spain's La Liga. Let's start with Atletico versus Celta Vigo. They played at Atletico's home stadium. Celta Vigo scored first through a penalty before Sorlos tied the game in the 81st minute. Atletico should feel good about the tie because they played almost the entire game with 10 men because Pablo Barrios got a red card in the 7th minute. The game ended in a 1-1 draw, which means Atletico couldn't go to the top of the league standings. Now, the other match was Real Madrid against Osasuna. Real Madrid had a tough away game where they took the lead with a goal from Kylian Mbappe, but Osasuna fought back, and Ante Budimir scored to level the score. Jude Bellingham also got red carded following an argument with the referee, which was controversial. It finished 1-1, which was not a good result for them because they could have extended their lead at the top, but they didn't. Here's the exciting part. Because of these draws, both Madrid teams lost points. So if Barcelona wins their next game, they could be the new leaders of La Liga. That would shake up the standings a lot. So, to summarize, neither Atletico nor Real Madrid won, which keeps the race for the La Liga title very close. Remember, every point matters in this competition. So, there was a little article about the La Liga update with both Madrid teams unable to win. Hopefully you could follow along with me as I read. There's a lot of high frequency vocab in that article that we use a lot in English every day. So, hope you enjoyed the video. We'll see you on the next one. Bye.